The Great American Eclipse on August 21st is such an exciting event.
The buildup has begun, and for once, the event, a once-in-a-century solar eclipse, might just live up to the hype.
The entire country can participate. There's never been an event like this in human history.
On that Monday, the moon will completely cover the sun in the sky for a few minutes at each point along a 110-kilometer-wide path across the U.S.
If you want to see the full show, you have to take yourself to the path of totality. If you just want a partial show, then you can just remain where you are and the eclipse will come to you.
Here it comes! Solar scientists want to see the full show. A wide array of experiments on the ground and aloft are aimed at getting better answers to questions like,
what makes the solar corona, the outer atmosphere of the sun, so hot?
Amir Caspi with the Southwest Research Institute says 2 planes 15 kilometers above the Earth will have high-speed cameras trained on the corona, that ultra-hot plasma, which on every other day is obscured by the sun's bright surface.
When the moon blocks out the disk of the sun, we can see things that are a billionth as bright as the surface of the sun, and we can see them right down to the edge of the sun.
One big component of the eclipse observations is citizen science. 70 of these telescopes, operated by schools, libraries, and private individuals, will be trained on the sun while it's obscured. The Citizen Kate experiment will capture high-resolution images of the sun's inner corona all along the path of totality. Research into the corona could help better predict geomagnetic solar storms, which can affect technology in space and here on Earth.
If we can give good weather, space weather forecasting to power grid operators, to satellite operators, to astronauts in space, to airplanes, then they can mitigate around that.
With all the data expected, the sky may be the limit to what's learned on Eclipse Day.
I've been in solar physics, solar science for my entire career, and I'm getting goosebumps. It is going to be fabulous. Says one expert, it could be the most documented, the most appreciated eclipse ever. Tourists and scientists alike are counting the days. Hendrik Sabrandi, CGTN, Boulder, Colorado.